A very good afternoon to one and all present here, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Gaurav Sharma, along with my teammates Ashish Naruka, Jay Bhandari, Bharat Sharma and Ish Shukla, and we are Team Visualizers. In the next few minutes, we will discuss about withdrawal Kanban with the help of an activity. Thank you.
So what is Kanban? Kanban is an excellent system of automatic replenishment of inventory.
So there are two types of Kanban. First is production Kanban and second is withdrawal Kanban. Where goods are manufactured and supplied is known as production Kanban.
And withdrawal Kanban is when you withdraw goods from the store and then replenish them. Now we will demonstrate withdrawal Kanban with the help of an activity. So this is bin 1 and these are the products of bin 1. And this is bin 2 and these are the products of bin 2. This is Kanban card and this shows us reorder quantity.
Now I will take 4 pens from bin 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will put this pen in this envelope. Hello Ish.
Hello.
I have taken 4 pens from bin 1.
Okay, I note it down.
Now I will take 4 products, 2 from bin 1 and 2 from bin 2, and along with that I will carry Kanban card with myself. Hello Ish.
Hello dear.
These are my 4 products and I'm carrying Kanban card with me.
Okay, I am entering it. Now I am keeping the Kanban card in the reorder box. Every day I go to the reorder box to check the Kanban card that have come so that I can reorder again.
And this card contains the total number of quantity and vendor's name and the lead time.
Hello Ashish, I want to order pens of quantity 4.
Okay, I will supply to you within an agreed lead time.
The best part of this system is that the supplier should have to supply the goods in agreed lead time, otherwise it wouldn't work.
I arrived at the office and I got all the products within an agreed lead time. Hello Ish.
Hello,
These are
Ashish.
the products which you have ordered.
Okay Ashish, thank you.
Welcome.
Now I will take these pens and the Kanban card to the bin 1. Now I will put these pens and the Kanban card to the bin 1.
How you will calculate reorder level? As the consumption increases, the quantity in stock will decreases, and at some point of time you have to reorder, and the reorder level will be decided with the help of lead time. So this would be your reorder level and this is your lead time.
Okay, so this is a lead time and this is a reorder level.
Yes.
Okay. So any example, Gaurav?
Yes. Let's suppose if your average consumption is 10 units and your lead time will be 2 days, then your reorder level will be 20 units.
Suppose if your lead time goes up and your consumption period goes up, so what will we do?
Okay. In that case, you would have some safety stock.
Okay. Then at this point, how you will decide reorder quantity?
So as per the convenience, the best system is the 2-bin system, which would we have already discussed in the video. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so Gaurav, can you please explain the 2-bin system?
Sure. In 2-bin system, first we take product from bin 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And if I need some more product, then I will move on to the bin 2. Okay, first I will put the Kanban card and put it into the reorder box. And then I will take my product 1 and 2.
So Gaurav, what happened when fresh alert arrived?
Okay. When you receive your first fresh note, you will switch the Kanban card with the empty bin. Like this. You will put your product in first bin and then you will keep the Kanban card in the bin one.
Oh, it's mean that order quantity is equal to reorder level.
Yes, it is absolutely correct. The order quantity is equal to the reorder level.
So this is very true. This system is the most appropriate system in the world.
Thank you.
Thank you.